Most people don't start a business because they love spreadsheets. And let's be real, you probably didn't launch your company dreaming about balance sheets and profit margins, but here's the truth that no one wants to hear. If you're a business owner and you don't understand your numbers, even just the basics, you're flying completely blind. And eventually that will catch up to you. Whether it's applying for a loan, scaling your team, managing cash flow, or minimizing your taxes, understanding your finances is not optional. It's not just about looking smart in front of your CPA, it's about protecting your time, your money, and your future, the future of your business. Hey, my name's Matt and I'm a CPA and the founder of TrueBooks. We specialize in tax strategy and bookkeeping for business owners, investors, and entrepreneurs. And today we're gonna break down the 10 most important accounting terms every business owner needs to know. The must-knows. No jargon, no textbook definitions, straight talk and practical insight and real financial clarity on what these are. This video isn't about turning you into an accountant. It's about making sure that you're empowered to ask better questions, avoid costly mistakes, and confidently lead your business with a clear financial picture. So first, let's talk about your core reports, what you need to focus on from a reporting perspective. So before we dive into terms, you need to know these 3 reports that tell the story of your business. Balance sheet. This shows what you own, what you owe, and what's left. It's your assets, your liabilities, and your equity. It's a snapshot of your financial health. If you're ever looking to sell, get a loan, or bring in investors, this is the first report that they will ask for. A good accountant will ask for. Profit and loss statement. This is also called an income statement or a P&L. This tracks your revenue, expenses, and profits. It's your scoreboard. If you're making more and spending even more, this report's going to catch it. And last is a cash flow statement. This shows how cash is actually moving. You can be profitable on paper and still not have enough to cover payroll, and cash flow helps you spot the gap before they become a disaster. When you understand these reports, you can catch red flags before they grow into real problems, which is the case. You can also show lenders, investors, or even potential buyers that your business is healthy, organized, and growing, which makes you 10 times more attractive on paper. Now let's break down the 10 accounting terms every entrepreneur should know. Number 1 is assets. Everything your business owns with value. Cash, inventory, equipment, software, licenses. If it can be sold or used to run the business, it's an asset. Liabilities. Everything you owe, credit cards, loans, unpaid bills, these are the financial obligations that you and your business have. Number 3, equity. This is your stake or sort of skin in the game in the business. It's what's left over after you subtract your liabilities from your assets, and think of this as your ownership value, your net worth. 4, revenue. All the money your business brings in, top line, gross, not the profit, just your sales. Expenses, what it costs to operate the business. Rent, software, advertising, payroll, it all lives here in the expense section. Profit, revenue minus expenses. This is what you keep, and this is the number that needs to grow if your business is going to thrive. Cost of goods sold. If you sell physical products, this is what it costs to produce those products. Manual labor, packaging are all part of cost of goods sold. Or a service-based business, the cost of the people. Operating profit, this is your profit after subtracting COGS and your expenses. It gives you more of a realistic view on how the day-to-day operations are of the business and how net income is, which leads us to net profit margin, the percentage that shows you how much profit of each dollar you're keeping. So if your business makes $10,000, you keep $2,500, you're at a 25% margin. And last, break-even point. This is the point where your total revenue equals your total expenses. Everything past that, pure profit. So here's what no one tells you. The faster you can reach your break even each month, the more freedom you have, right? You're getting close to covering your costs and living in a profit scenario. That freedom can be reinvested back into the business, into marketing, team building, or even cutting back on how much time you spend in the business, which is valuable as well. Why this matters is these numbers don't just live in a spreadsheet. They tell you things about your business, like where's your money going, what's actually working, and what you can legally deduct at tax time for tax planning. The better you understand your numbers, the better your tax strategy becomes. We help business owners all the time who don't even realize where they're missing out on deductions or leaving money on the table simply because they don't understand the financial basics. When you know how to track and read your P&L, your margins, you can time expenses better, plan retirement contributions, decide if your entity structure still makes sense, things like that. You have time to make those decisions. And markers. This is how you go from guessing to growing. And if you're working with a tax pro like us, this is where the conversation changes. Instead of what can I deduct, you're asking questions like, how do I maximize my strategy? Because understanding the basics also gives you a huge advantage when hiring. Whether it's a bookkeeper, CFO, or an outside consultant, you'll be able to understand the story you're telling with the numbers instead of just nodding along. Pro tax tip, one of the most underrated benefits of strong accounting, tax savings. When your books are clean, you can time deductions, maximize business write-offs, avoid audit red flags, and even reduce the estimated payments legally, the quarterly payments that you have to make as a business owner. If you're just dumping expenses into QuickBooks at the end of the year, you're not planning, you're really surviving. Kudos to you, but again, you're not forward acting. Most of the best tax moves can't be made in March and April. They happen in October, November, even June. Clean books equals proactive planning, more money in your pocket. Okay, so quick recap. The 3 reports every business owner should understand: balance sheet, profit and loss, and cash flow statement. And the 10 terms to master: assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, expenses, profit, cost of goods sold, operating profit, net margin, and break-even point. And those aren't the nice to knows, those are the need to knows. And if you want our team at TrueBooks to help you get your books cleaned up and finally understand what your numbers are telling you, book a call with us today. We'd love to help. And if you have anything else, drop a comment with the accounting term that confused you the most when you started your business, and I might turn it into this video. See you in the next one.